A beautiful oasis awaits you at the Fairways BBQ and Grill, located in the grounds at Newport News Park. Locals and tourists alike love their delicious food overlooking a scenic Gulf view. Indulge in some ribs, barbecue shrimp, burgers, salads, the smoked chicken hoagie, and the famous smokestack, just to name a few. Like Fairways BBQ and Grill on Facebook and visit them at 901 Clubhouse Way in Newport News for breakfast, lunch, and dinner 7 days a week. Ask about catering. For more, log on to fairwaysbbqandgrill.com.